Hi everybody, CANNABEARD here. How the heck are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful holidays. And I'm hoping that somehow I can make it even more wonderful. I have an absolutely amazing community of viewers and supporters, and I love it when I get a chance to give back. It really does warm my heart being able to share the wealth that I have gained as being some sort of a entertainer influencer thing. Companies give me stuff once in a while, and sometimes I get more than I need. I got a couple of things here to give away, is what I'm saying. I got a couple of extra things. So like I said, hopefully I can make a couple of people's holiday even more awesome than it already is. So to start off with, I'm going to start with, in no particular order, just the closest item to me. It is a Petra Tools mini fogger. Check this bad boy out. Not only does it come with one of these canisters, but two. This is exactly the same as the fogger that I use, only this is like their pro version. It's got it's got an extra container, and it's a sexy black and stuff. Anyway, one of these bad boys. I got this for you guys. So that's one of the prizes. All the prizes are going to be just sort of done in order. I'll make a list of the numbers of them, and as I pull names, I'll just give away those kinds of things. So there's not much rhyme or reason to who gets what. It's just going to be a little bit of random. Also, we've got an AC Infinity a fogger as well. Why do I got two foggers? I have no idea. I just got sent multiple foggers this year for some reason. AC Infinity sent me one of these beautiful foggers, which I still need to do a review video on. I've only used it a couple of times, but so far, it pumps out the water. I'm kind of impressed. This thing pumps out more water than the Petra Tool fogger, like liquid per hour, per minute, whatever. However, the other one makes a much finer mist. So it's like, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for an absolute fogger, you want that thing. If you're looking for a really, really good water mister, this one's also good. Doesn't matter. They're both awesome. Also, I have some things I don't have physically in my hands. We're just going to go over those now. So first, we have some seeds from our wonderful, wonderful friends over at Coastal Mary Seeds. They've got a couple of packs. I believe it's an autoflower and a photo period. Generally, they like to do sort of winner's choice. When the winner gets, you get to sort of pick what you want, which is friggin' awesome. Sometimes they give away specific things, specific strains they're trying to push or promote or something. But I was told this year, winner's choice. So there you go. That's awesome. So there's prize number 3. And prize number 4 will be from Grove Bags. I'll put sort of like an image of approximately what they're going to send. Something kind of like that. Grove Bags. Perhaps you've heard of them. I don't know. They're pretty amazing. I've been using Grove Bags since I got Grove Bags, and I have not gone back to jarred weed since then. They're just amazing. They really, truly are. So I really love also sharing those with people, because if you've never used them, you're gonna be a fan once you do. And then finally, not least, but definitely last in this list here today, is a MARSHYDRO fan, a ventilation fan, a 4-inch ventilation fan. Pretty much everybody needs these things. Like, come on, if you're growing anything, you can use one of these fans. They're pretty amazing. Usually I've given away lights in the past. However, we got a fan this time. Something different. Something, whoa. Something, honestly, we could probably all use. Most growers have their lights already, but you can always upgrade your fans. You can always upgrade your carbon filters. There's a few things that wear out over time that you would want to use more often. So, okay. This year, I'm going to bust it up a little bit different, but in order to win, or to enter to win, all you have to do is three things, okay? Be subscribed to CANNABEARD Grows, be subscribed to Small Backyard Homestead. I will leave a link below, and here's the title. and comment on both. Comment the same comment on both. Comment something, say, I'm here for the Christmas giveaway, whatever, on both channels. And as long as I can pair up and find both of your things, that's a legit entry. It's pretty simple. Just comment the same comment on both channels. Any video will do. Simple as that. And yeah, I'll be doing the actual draw on the first of the next year. So I will do a video just like this, announcing all the winners. So do not fall for any scammers below. I will not post links in the chat saying you won, click here to confirm. None of that crap. I will only announce winners in this sort of a format via video. So if I don't do that, if somebody's doing that in the comments, report them because it's a scammer of some sort. Anyway, good luck everyone. Thank you for hanging out with me here today. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday. And I'll talk to you real soon. Cheers.